so next time somebody tries to use it, this is what's gonna happen. Look at that, guys. Alright, so the more you go towards the edge, guys,
look at that.
They'll be applying more weight on it and the blood will begin sliding out. And that's when they'll notice that, oh no. What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Welcome back to another Sinnex TV video. Now in this video, since Halloween is just around the corner, we're gonna teach you some pranks that you guys can pull off at school. Now, I don't know, this year, does Halloween land on a school day?
I believe it does, yeah.
It might be a Wednesday. So if you're in school during Halloween, these pranks are perfect for that. You might need some fake blood. Actually, you do need fake blood for these pranks because they are super bloody.
Now, if you guys enjoy these 5 bloody pranks that we're going to show you guys, make sure you guys subscribe to Sinnex TV. Make sure you hit that bell for the bell notifications when we upload a new video. And make sure you give us a big like on this video.
This one, guys, a big, oops, a big thumb up for this video. So with that being said, guys, let's get these pranks going. Check it out.
So first things first, guys, you're going to need blood for all of these pranks, just like I have here. Now this blood bottle, I got it at Walmart. As you guys can see at the top right corner, it says $4.98. Now, I'm not saying I'm a cheap person, but $4.98 to me for a little bottle like this, about the size of your hand, to me that's a lot of money. Now, we recently had a comment by somebody saying that $5 for a bottle of blood is not a lot, but I personally think it's a lot of money, especially when you can just use Kool-Aid or whatever. Use your creativity and take off with it, you know? So for this prank, all you guys need is a Elmer's glue stick, just like I have here, and basically all you guys want to do is just pop the top. You guys want to remove the glue that's inside of there, just like I'm going to do so here.
I wonder why that glue's purple though.
Funny looking glue, huh?
Yeah.
So now you guys have an empty little glue stick like I have here, as you guys can see there. And all you guys want to do is fill that bad boy up with some blood, just like I have here. So we'll do that now. Now you guys don't need to use a lot of blood, just a little bit, enough so that when they tilt it over, it spills, right? So check it out. Once you put your blood in there, just like that there, guys, all you do is just put your cap on, close that really tight, maybe shake it a little bit. So now that it's ready, guys, now whoever needs to use this is gonna, obviously I'm gonna have to tilt it over and pop the cap, right? But what's gonna happen when they pop the cap? Well, let me do a little demo for you guys and show you guys what's gonna happen. So let's see, I need to glue this paper to this table. So I need this little handy dandy Elmer's glue, and let's get to it. Oh! Look at that, guys. Really dirty and messy.
Okay, so right here I have a bottle of Elmer's glue. We all use this in the classroom, guys. Whenever we want to paste something or for our artwork, we use Elmer's glue. So if this is a very popular school supply in your class, then you can definitely booby trap this with some fake blood. What I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna remove the top, which is the nozzle, and I don't want to ruin the glue that's inside. So I'm gonna get a piece of plastic wrap. This reminds me of a ketchup prank that I did a couple years ago. But anyway, we're gonna just get a little piece that will fit inside, just like this. And we're gonna push it in, just like that. You see that? All right, so now we have enough room to fill it up with some blood. And again, that's what I'm gonna do. So now that we have some blood in there, we're gonna put the nozzle back on. So twist it on, guys. We still have some excess plastic wrap, which we will trim off. And you do this until you can't really see it anymore. All right, guys, the glue bottle is ready. So next time somebody tries to use it, this is what's gonna happen. Look at that, guys. So yeah, they'll think they'll be getting glue out of this bottle, but in reality, it's gonna be blood. So that's a perfect way to get somebody on Halloween at school.
Now, a cool way to get really creative with this glue stick is getting yourself a box of crayons like I have here. Now, this is just your ordinary box of crayons that you can get for maybe $1 at the dollar store, right?
They're actually 50 cents at Walmart.
Oh, okay. Well, even better, guys. 50 cents for this. And it serves as crayons for your school or as a little prank, as we're going to do here. So, all you guys want to do is flip the crayons upside down, open the top, just like that. And you guys want to remove enough crayons to fill this glue stick in there.
So 3 rows?
Yeah, about 3 rows. Every box of crayons is a little bit different, but for this one, it's looking like 3 rows. Now we've left ourselves a little spot to put our glue stick in there, guys, as you guys can see there. So now our next step is you just want to put your box of crayons aside for now. You take that same glue stick, guys, and it's still empty from earlier. You just fill that bad boy up with some more blood, just like this.
Man, these are really messy, aren't they?
These are really messy pranks, guys. You're going to have a lot of fun with it, and whoever is your victim for this is going to hate you. So, you just want to put this right in that corner where you left that opening, just like that. Look at that, guys.
Very snug?
Yeah, right in the corner. As you guys can see here, it's closed. Now, it's just sitting there, right, guys? So, you would think, like, okay, if you come up and you're going to use these crayons, what do you guys notice right off the bat, guys?
Well, what I can tell is that it's upside down.
Yeah, it doesn't look right. So something looks really off. And like Max said, it's upside down.
And if you're OCD, then that's definitely going to bother you, and you're going to want to flip it.
You're going to want to flip that upside down. Even if you're not, then you still want to use them. You got to flip it upside down, right, guys? So I'm going to show you guys a demo. So let's get into that now. Oh! Look at that. Look at that, guys.
As soon as they flip it over, that's what happens. You get a spill of blood coming from the crayon box. Yeah, I would say these are extreme pranks for Halloween. Very bloody. Now, if you guys want to prank somebody in the classroom using their pencil, just wait till they go to the restroom or they go do something else and they leave their pencil behind. Now, this is what you need to take into class. You're going to need some fake blood. So put that in a smaller container, such as a glue stick. You're also gonna need a little dropper like this. Now this already has blood in there because I used it for a previous prank. So I'm gonna draw some blood from the bottle. So now I'll have this handy. And look, this is what you do with the pencil. When they're not looking or anybody's not paying attention, undo the eraser cap. And you guys can also do this with the pencil grip, but I'm gonna use the eraser cap for this example. So let's say they left their pencil like this on their desk. You go to their desk really quickly, remove the eraser cap, and you're gonna fill it with just a couple drops of fake blood. All right, just like that, guys. Now you're gonna take the eraser and leave it on the pencil like that. Make sure that the opening is away from their view so they can't see it. Just like that, you can't see anything's wrong with it, right? So now when they come over, they're gonna be like, well, what happened here? Why is my eraser off my pencil? There's not much to think about. They can simply just put it back in. And when they do that, guys, this is what's gonna happen. They're gonna get a bloody eraser. So yeah, it can get very, very messy. Just like that. And again, you guys can do this with the pencil grip. Just undo it, add a couple drops of blood on the center, and just leave it where it's at. Now when your friend wants to put their pencil back in, this is what's gonna happen. So yeah, if they have paperwork underneath, it's definitely gonna get ruined.
And the more you guys use, the more messier, so it just depends on how much you guys want to use.
Yeah, well, you're limited to the size because of the size of the eraser and the pencil grip, but you'll still get a good laugh, guys, just like this. And look, I got my fingers dirty with blood.
So for this bloody prank, you guys are gonna need a little compartment where you guys usually keep your pens, pencils, or crayons, and a little plastic baggie, and of course your blood. Now to get this started, oh, I forget, you guys are also gonna need some tape. You might be able to use glue for this, but I recommend tape because it's better and it's faster. So you're gonna want to take your little baggie, and at the top portion of this compartment right here, you want to put some tape. So just cut yourself a little piece, or as many pieces as you guys need. Put that right on the top of the bag, just like that, and put that right on top of the compartment box. Once you guys have done this, guys, you leave the bag room to move up like this, right? You want to grab your bottle of blood and fill it in just right there. Now you guys want to be careful with this because since the bag is in an upside down position, you guys want to tilt it all the way up just like that and fill it in. Make sure you try to aim for the bottom of the bag so that it doesn't drip towards the top. So I'm going to be very careful with this. There you go. The more blood that you use, the messier it's going to be, guys. So that's really up to you guys. I'm using this amount because look, once it's in there, you can fold the bag. I'm just gonna fold it one time just like that and get it ready to go. You wanna hold the tip of the bag and close it at the same time just like that. Make sure that the bag is sticking out a little bit. And the reason for this, guys, is so that it doesn't drip inside. It only falls once the victim comes in and they open the little container, right? So when your victim comes over and they tell you, hey, do you got a blue crayon I could borrow? You could just be like, I sure do, and it's right here in this little compartment. You guys could also set up their crayon box. If you're gonna do it on your own, then it works perfectly fine as well. But just get creative with it, and if you want to prank them, then obviously target their crayon box. Let's say this is Nex's little compartment box, and I asked him for a crayon, and he says, of course, yeah, you can have it. So I reach in there, and this is what's gonna happen. Look at that, guys.
You're definitely gonna mess up their crayons, or you might end up messing up your own crayons just for the purpose of pranking somebody on Halloween.
Yeah. The more blood that you guys can use, like if you guys want to get very, very messy, put some water on this. Now when they open it, it's gonna splatter everywhere. So there you guys go.
Just like Omega Skull over here, I'm gonna use a baggie. But this one, we're gonna put it underneath a notepad or a notebook. So here's what we do. We're gonna take the baggie and let's try to measure it. If the baggie's is longer than the notepad, we gotta trim it off a bit. So since it is, I will be trimming some of it off. Now guys, I'm gonna throw some blood in there. Just like that. All right. Cool. We're gonna turn a few pages. So kinda in the center of the notepad, we're gonna place this bag. All right guys, try to flatten it. Try to get it closer to the edge of the bag and then flatten the edge as well. And then we're gonna close the notepad. We're actually just gonna lay it on there just a little, just like that. Nothing fishy about it, right? Now the prank is set, guys. Look, I got the notepad there. Nothing fishy about it, right? It's flat. Your victim won't know that we put a small pouch of blood underneath. Now when they try to write something on there, they're gonna place weight on it with their hand and possibly their forearm, and then this is what's gonna happen. All right, so the more you go towards the edge, guys,
look at that.
They'll be applying more weight on it, and the blood will begin sliding out, and that's when they'll notice that, oh no. Yeah, this is an extreme prank, guys. It's really, really extreme. So I suggest you prank somebody that you know can take a joke. So please try not to get your teachers. You don't want to get in trouble and grounded on Halloween night, right? Because then you won't get any candy. And that's it, guys. Go ahead and start pranking on Halloween. And there you guys have it. Pranks that you guys can pull off in the classroom on Halloween. You might be able to get your teachers. You might be able to get your friends or people that you just don't like. There's some people that are actually really freaked out by blood. So you might get them really bad. But hey, it is Halloween, so you can get away with certain pranks. If you enjoyed this video, guys, I hope you gave it a big thumbs up and that you subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, guys. This is Sinnex TV. That's Sinfado, aka Omega Skull, and I'm Nex. You guys know me from my channel, Nex Raker. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you guys in the next Sinnex TV video.